how to remove DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome. So if you have Google Chrome and whenever you're opening a new tab, you will relatively find a DuckDuckGo search instead of the native Google search engine. What are the ways that you can fix this? Now, in some cases, you might have installed a DuckDuckGo extension, so we just have to disable that extension. But before that, I'm going to show you another way where you can change the search engine without having to disable this extension. For that, click on the three dots option from the top right of your Google Chrome and then simply go to the option called Settings. From Settings on the left hand side, you want to go to Search Engine, and here you can see my default is DuckDuckGo. So I can just go ahead and disable this if I want to, but I can go to Manage Search Engines and Site Search, and then right over here you can see DuckDuckGo is set as default. I can set Google as my default right here. Now, but for that I have to remove this, right? So to remove the DuckDuckGo extension, from your top right, look for the extension icon that look like this, or you might have already pinned it over here. So when you select this, if you have pinned the DuckDuckGo extension, you'll find it here, but if you have not pinned it, it will be hidden inside this icon. So when you click on it, you can see the extension where you can click the three dots option, and from there you can simply select the option called Remove from Chrome, and once done, the DuckDuckGo extension will be removed, and next time whenever you're opening up a new tab, now you can see the normal Google search engine. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.